Hi there, people of the interweb. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below, because we just hit 1,000 subscribers on a journey to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for 1K. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video, I'm going to be trying out viral skincare face mask routines, if I may say so. And today we're going to be trying out the black Peeloff face mask. I want to know whether it works, whether it doesn't work. So without further ado, you know what we do, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be using this Icon Beauty black mask. I own about 4 face masks. I'm going to do a clay one later, and I'm going to do 2 clay ones and the white Peeloff mask. So I'm going to be using this black Peeloff mask. It contains whitening complex and rejuvenating system, deep cleansing, powerful antioxidants, energize. I apply like it to face in an upward motion, okay? Avoid eyes and leave it until it's completely dry, then peel off and rinse off residue, okay? Contains water, alcohol, glycol, alcohol, xanthan gum, bentonite, urea. Okay, so this retailed for like over 1,000, I think 1,002 or 800 to 1,002. I've had this for a while, but I've not used it. I only used it like 2 times, and I want to try it today. First impression again, I hate the smell. Shit, I hate the smell. So before I go in, I'm gonna have to wash my face first. I can't apply this on clear skin. So I'm going to wash my face with this Fresh Factor herbal black soap. I use this because it's really affordable. It's 500 naira for the whole pack, and this lasts me a while. I'm going to get my face wet. My hand is already washed, so fear not. Always make sure that you wash your hands before you wash your face. This is all washed. I'm going to go in with the mask now and apply it upward motion. So I'm going to apply it on my hand. Upward motion. So I think I'm all done. The question is, how long will this thing take to dry? It can take like 30 minutes to an hour for this thing to dry, so please, I'll be right back. Okay guys, my face is all dried out. I can't talk. My skin feels like nylon. So I'm gonna try to take it off all over. I think I'll start from here. It took it about, I said the amount of time I spent here. It took it about like 10 to 20 something minutes for it to dry. It's all dried everywhere. I'm going to start from here because these sides are usually easy for you to remove from. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my face off camera because I really can't peel any further. I'm just tired. So my skin all washed. First reaction, my skin actually doesn't feel oily. I don't feel any form of oil on my skin. My skin feels good. It feels good, but the thing is, I don't have time to be peeling off any mask for waiting for so long for my mask to dry off or peeling it off after so long. Like, it takes so long to even peel up the mask. Right now, I'm actually just toning my skin with my skin doctor toner. You guys know that this is like my OG toner. I'm almost done. It's like my 4th or 5th bottle. I used to use Clean and Clear. So Clean and Clear is 3,000. Skin doctor is 800. They do the same job. So And you guys know my OG moisturizer from my skincare routine video linked here. This is the glycolic acid hydrating gel from Beauty Formulas. My skincare routine is actually quite, like, it's very affordable. Toner and was less than 2,000 naira, and moisturizer, then black soap as well, then any face mask. I really almost don't use a scrub. I'm going in with this now. This is a gel. All in all, I really don't mind this face mask. Well, I can't keep up using it every day. I'd rather stick with my clay mask that will dry in like 5 minutes. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was entertaining enough for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do you use a clay mask? Do you use a stick peel-off mask? Do you use a black peel-off mask? Do you use the gold one? Do you use the transparent one? Tell me in the comment section. Follow me across all social media platforms. Natural Ukachi. Subscribe to my channel. We're on a journey to 2,000 subscribers now. That feels so good to say. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.